Now this trail actually gets over to the park on the back. It's usually closed, but it's nice to get back there. And this is a viewing area for the ponds, and there's no ponds now. Pretty much dried up. They drained the water from it. But at times they do have ducks there. Mostly they're full of turtles. Back to the little forest back here. They usually have that gate closed, but it's I like to explore areas. And it's away from the main path. Folks, I've been walking more and more than ever before for me. And the thing is, after doing 2 years of ketogenic diet, it keeps me having a lot of energy. And there was a loose dog there. As long as it doesn't attack, we're okay. Let's see, out here in the Albuquerque bosque, you see more of that than in other places. So it's a little different out here. Oh. But those are beautiful trees right there. There is one of these places that is a famous area, and I've never been able to, I think it's this ditch, but further down, where you could see the fall foliage or the fall colors and see the ditch, and it's very beautiful. I normally avoid areas where there's small kids by themselves. As an older person, I feel that it's safer to be away from children. Here it is, but it's a little better than that. Rather, they just cleaned it. It looks like they just cleaned this ditch. But when it's filled with leaves, then it's very, very beautiful. So, more ducks coming through. Heading south, down to South America. This is probably the last beautiful day of fall out here, because on Tuesday there's a storm coming in, so then that will turn everything into a little colder. The leaves will fall, and then winter starts creeping in, and then it's pretty much dead looking until March to May, April. April things starts kind of blooming again, and then May is when it starts looking nicer.